Welcome to Englishpodcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Welcome back to Speak English with Ease. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. We're really glad you're learning with us today.
In today's video, we want to help you actually start speaking English, not just listening, not just writing, but speaking clearly and confidently.
We try our best to make this channel feel like a real conversation.
Because learning English should feel guided, calm, and practical, not confusing.
Many of you ask, do I need to join an expensive course? Should I pay a lot of money to learn English?
And honestly, English improves with practice, not price.
Not money, not pressure, just daily practice. Even people who teach English make mistakes.
Mistakes in pronunciation, mistakes in grammar, mistakes in vocabulary.
So if you're learning English as a second or third language, mistakes are normal.
Very normal, very natural.
Don't be afraid. Don't stop speaking.
What matters is correct practice, again and again. That's why we give you simple speaking exercises.
These exercises help beginners start speaking and help higher-level learners correct mistakes.
English is not your first language, so your brain already knows other languages.
Now we just need to train your voice for English.
Step by step, slowly, clearly. Let's talk about one of the most important exercises.
Listening and repeating correctly.
You don't listen one sentence, you listen to one sentence.
Small details make your English more natural.
Here's how you should practice. Listen to one short sentence. Pause the video, repeat it loudly. Repeat it 3 to 5 times.
Don't wait for the whole video.
Small parts, clear voice, daily practice.
This is the secret, simple but powerful. Now, let's practice together. Take a deep breath, relax, and repeat after me.
The old man is sitting on a chair.
Good. Now repeat again.
Again, one more time.
Very good. Keep going.
Next sentence. A red bag is on the bed.
Repeat slowly.
Again.
Next sentence. Many books are on the shelf.
Take your time. No hurry.
See? You're already speaking English.
Step by step, you are improving.
You have lungs, a voice box, a tongue, teeth, and lips.
This is your speaking machine.
You use it perfectly. You just need to use it in English.
Speak slowly, open your mouth, use your voice. If you practice every day for 10 to 15 days, you will feel a big change.
Not once a week, not only weekends.
Every single day.
Even 5 minutes is better than nothing.
English disappears if you don't use it daily.
After 10 days, something amazing happens.
Your thoughts slowly start coming in English.
Now you stop repeating and start creating sentences.
This is your next level. For example, repeat after me. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. My father is a farmer. I study at a college.
Very good. Keep speaking.
Now try your own sentences. I drink tea. I go to school. I like English.
No pressure, no fear, just speak. If you do this for 1 month,
Your vocabulary grows. Your confidence grows. Your speaking improves.
even children speak well with 500 words.
You can reach 1,000 words with practice.
Not fast, but steady.
English speaking is not magic.
It's daily action.
Small steps, correct practice, your own voice.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Just focus on your progress.
Watch the videos regularly.
Practice daily.
And keep learning with Speak English with Ease.
All the best.
You can do this.
Keep speaking, keep learning. We believe.